The Hua Hin Full Moon. Hash. A crash course in moonlit madness. Imagine a cross between a treasure hunt, a pub crawl, and a jungle expedition, but with more chalk arrows and fewer pirates. We have a few cowboys. That's the Hua Hin Full Moon Hash. A monthly event where runners, walkers, and beer enthusiasts chase chalk markings and cold beers under the glow of Thailand's full moon. Here's why you should ditch your beach towel and join the chaos. What is it? Moonlit Mayhem. Think of it as a drinking club with a running problem. Every full moon, a motley crew of locals, expats, and tourists follow a trail marked with paper or chalk arrows. Routes wind through narrow streets, alleyways, and the occasional surprise bar. Yes, there's a beer stop mid-run. No fitness required. Choose between runners, who sprint like they're escaping a swarm of bees, or walkers, who stroll like they're auditioning for a yoga retreat. Either way, you'll end up at the same beer truck. Priorities. Quirky traditions. Expect nicknames like Sodomy or Bin Man. Yes, really. Post-run sing-alongs and punishments for crimes like wearing clean shoes or not laughing at bad jokes. Why join? Besides bragging rights. 1. Cheap thrills. For 200 baht, approximately $6, you get to run, free-flow beer, and beer stop. Non-drinkers pay 100 baht, aka the wanker tax. Kids? Free, but maybe skip the beer stop for them. 2. Meet humans who aren't Instagram influencers. Bond with Thai grandmas, German backpackers, and that one guy who swears. Penny lame. 3. Become a trail detective. Solve checks and false trails. It's like Indiana Jones, but with more sweat and fewer snakes. Probably. 4. Eat like a hungry hippo. Post-run dinners are legendary. Think 4-course Thai feasts for 250 baht. Pro tip, skip breakfast. 5. Get a hash name, show up often, and you'll leave with a title like Hug Manigoat or Auntie's Bitch. Perfect for your Tinder bio. 6. Monday, social. Join for drinks and chat every Monday. So I 112. 7. Feeling brave. Do a Sunday bush hash, scenic and fun. The fine print, because lawyers exist. What to bring? A flashlight, for not face-planting into ditches, comfy shoes, and a sense of humor. Leave your dignity at home. It'll just slow you down. Risks include falling into a bar, losing your car keys, but don't worry, Yorkshiremen will find them. Accidentally becoming a moonie, the local term for hash addicts. Final verdict. The Hua Hin Full Moon. Hash is where exercise meets absurdity and strangers become friends, or at least drinking buddies. Whether you're sprinting for glory or waddling for pad thai, you'll leave with stories and memories. How to join. Show up. Run or walk. Drink. Repeat. On. P.S. If you see a guy named Knockout Neptune or Penny Lame buy them a beer, they earned it.